What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we have the Batman Classic TV Series Part 2, and this is the second part to the two-part series videos that I've been doing. So the last video you actually saw these two cars, the two Batmobiles, the normal mainline version as well as the tuned version, and I actually like them. They were really nice, and the link will be in the description right below, so do check them out as well. But today the focus will be the TV series Batmobile from the Hot Wheels Premium Edition. So I'm super pumped. This actually looks way better even in the packaging, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the vehicle, and I'm gonna show you all the little quirks and features of this car and the little differences. And so the back is really nice as well, and yeah, we're just gonna unbox the vehicle. And voila, just like that, the car is out, and right off the bat you can see the glossy paint job on the vehicle, which is very different from the mainline version, even the tuned version. So yeah, you can just see right off the bat, you can see the differences in the vehicle, and we're gonna actually talk about them. So firstly, of course, if you're gonna start from the right side of the vehicle, you can see the glossy paint job, the lines, and from the whole spoiler situation, it continues right here as well. And the wheels, they spin amazingly well. I mean, premiums, most of the time they don't really spin well because they're rubber, but yeah, if you just notice the rims, they are different as well, which is really nice. At the front you can see the vents, and they are way in more detail than the mainline version. I assume the top here was headlights, but I assume it's not. It's a more vents, maybe like where weaponaries come out. I've not really seen the movies, the classic movies, so I'm not really sure. And then if you go on the left side, the wheels, like I mentioned, they're amazing wheels. They spin really well, and yeah, nothing much to actually indicate, just the lines. So the red accents really make the car amazing. I think it's a fantastic little work. And if you move on to the back, of course, we've got the whole thruster situation, the spoilers as well, and yeah, so the thruster. And if you guys notice, here you can see it's slightly different. So there are these like bags at the back, and the mainline is silver. Here it's like more of a black color. And if you look at the top, there are some paint details that are missing as well, which is, I don't know, it looks cleaner this way. So I think all in all, the premium looks way better, definitely. I mean, the top here looks clean, it looks fabulous, and it looks very straight, and there are a lot of lines in the vehicle. So really amazing little video. I'm super pumped to have this in my collection, and I think it's nice to have different variations to the same car. And you can see the interior as well, all black interior compared to the silver interior right there with the blue. So here's a more grey windscreen, which is another difference. So it's like, it's almost same but different, that kind of stuff. And if you move on to the base of the vehicle right now, we have the same details. So it's just DC Comics, they didn't write anything else right there. So just DC Comics, which is the same as the mainline version. You can see right there, so there's the mainline and there's the premium, right? So yeah, besides that, the details in the base, not much. It's the exact same, honestly, just that this is more polished than the mainline version of the vehicle. And then from here, if you actually look at the wheels, the rubber tires, they're amazing as well. Huge fan of rubber tires. And so these are the two cars side by side. Let me know in the comments below which one you would prefer and which one you think is more worth in the collection. So there's actually one more car that I don't have, and that's the Super Treasure Hunt version of the mainline edition. One day maybe it would be nice to have it, but currently I don't really have that car, and I'm not really sure where to get it from. But yeah, keep in touch. Maybe one day I'll find it, and I'll do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have an amazing time unboxing these vehicles. This concludes the two-part series of this unboxing and reviews. So yeah, this is where I've kept the three of them together. So it's a really nice show. And here's the other Batmobile I have. I didn't really do a video because it's not really significant. But yeah, so these three cars, I'm gonna place them right here, front and center in my shelves. I'm super pumped. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.